If I ask you which muscle has the biggest impact on your metabolic health, most people would probably guess their glutes because it's a very large muscle, or their quads. But here's the truth no one talks about. One of the most powerful metabolic muscles in your entire body is tiny, only about 1% of your body weight, and almost nobody knows what it does. It's your soleus, the deep calf muscle just below and underneath your gastroc. You never think about. And activating it properly can have a surprisingly big impact on your blood sugar, your insulin response, and even how much fat you burn in between meals. Not with a workout, not with a long walk, but with a tiny movement you can do while you're sitting. So here's the part that honestly stopped me in my tracks. Studies show that when you activate the soleus the right way, with a slow, rhythmic heel raise movement, your post-meal blood sugar can drop by 50%, and your insulin requirement for that same meal can drop around 60%. That's not a typo. That's a tiny muscle quietly improving your metabolic health in real time. And if you've ever seen people who constantly bounce their leg or fidget and somehow stay lean, this is part of why. Those tiny movements activate the soleus over and over again throughout the day. That increases NEAT, and we've talked about that on the channel before, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. And that helps to keep your blood sugar more stable in between meals. It's subtle, but the effect is real. This little muscle is quietly working in the background all day long. So let me show you how simple this is. You want to sit tall in your chair, feet flat on the floor. Lift your heels slowly while keeping the balls of your feet down. Then lower them back down with control. That's it. No equipment, no sweat, no intensity, just small, steady heel raises that wake up this metabolic engine. And here's something I noticed personally. When I take 5 minutes to do these slow heel raises, I feel warmer and more alert. There's a real reason for that. The soleus acts like a second heart. It helps pump blood back towards the heart every time it contracts. So your circulation improves, you get better oxygen delivery, and your energy feels steadier. And when your blood sugar is more stable, those snack-driven moments tend to calm down on their own. Not because the soleus stops cravings, there's no research showing that, but because the steady glucose leads to steadier hunger signals. And if you're over 50, if you have to sit a lot, maybe that's your job, you have to sit at a desk, if you deal with insulin resistance, or you're simply trying to support your metabolic health, this is one of the easiest tools you can add to your day. 5 minutes, slow, steady, done. And if you wear a CGM, try a little experiment. Eat 2 identical meals at the same time, let's say breakfast, on one day and then the next. One with heel raise routine and one without. And watch what your blood sugar does. Then come back and tell me what you saw. The smallest muscle with one of the biggest payoffs, a satisfying payoff.